Hey guys, I got a 2015 Nissan Sentra and smelling bad air, and I figured that it was my cabin filter, and when I took it to the dealership, basically told me that it was the cabin filter, which I've changed before. So today that's what we're going to do. And as you can see, I've basically taken this piece off, which attaches just like this. You may not really need to take it off, but I'll show you exactly where you can change the air filter. And specifically, the first one that I changed, it was a basic STP cabin air filter, but instead I just went ahead and got the max cabin air filter. That way, you never want to take a chance on your lungs. Always want to make sure that you can get the best, breathe in the best quality, because over time, if you try to get the cheap things often, it can, really, it can take a toll on your body. So I always, whenever I have an opportunity to get the best for my lungs, so I went ahead and got that. So as you can see, we are getting deep inside of here, and I want to, if you see the camera jiggling a little bit, my apologies, just want to make sure that you can see it well in here. So what we're going to do, once we, find the latch, we're going to remove that, and then we are going to take off out the air filter. So give me a second and I'll be right back. All right guys, as you can see, I'm gonna go back so that way you know exactly how I'm getting in. So this is on the passenger side, okay? So you take a light, in which I have a lantern with me, and this is all the way back up to where your feet may rest. Go all the way back until you see this buddy right here, okay? So what you wanna do is underneath it, where my index finger is, that's a latch. You pop that out, and as you can see up in here, we're just gonna snug, and we're just gonna pull it out. All right guys, so we were basically able to take out this filter. What you do is you're just gonna squeeze down on this as you take it out and give it a nice tug and pull on out. So this is the CAF 1875P for the Nissan 2015 Sentra SV model, okay? And so like I said, we're gonna add this max filtration cabin air filter in, and once we're done, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can put that in. It's very easy and simple. All right guys, so I just partially removed this air filter from the packaging, and you wanna place it this way in where the air is flowing back. So you wanna place it that way. So I'm just gonna take it out. So I'm just gonna take it out of this packaging. All right, and we are going to place this in that little slot, and as you can see, when you get it's a nice tug, it can go just like that. So we are going to do the same thing. All right, so actually what I'm going to do it is place this part in where flap is at, so that way once you have to take it out, it's easier that way. So that's also another key. So what we're gonna do is where this opening is at, right up in here, all right, index finger, that's where we want to put it at. Okay, so may not be pretty, so I apologize. All right guys, I was able to put in the cabin air filter, and once I had put it back in, I basically snapped it back into place. Sorry you couldn't fully see the end part of it, camera cut off, but I was able to get it back in there, and as you can see, the part is back fixed on there, and it's fully installed. And so basically what I do is just start the car, just turn it on to max AC and just let it start to blow. And there you have it. So